Lexus Water Tech is the company which has been introduced 10 years ago, and we are in the water industry under the name of Cruise and Lexus. Cruise and Lexus are the brand, and we manufacture everything in the domestic department. We have cabinets, we have pumps, we have inline filters, we have other cartridges, and all are made in virgin plastics. I mean, it's good. It's very nice. This is a very good platform for us to have a big platform for us to present ourselves and to have a market over here. That's the only thing.
Even though the Water Expo, among all the expo, the Water Expo is excellent.
Yeah,
Even
I'm.
though
This is the.
even though all over India level, the Chennai Expo is the very biggest platform for us, and it was wondering, that given us to a excellent performance in the south to north.
It's very good. We have been doing since 5 years. Every year we come over here. Every year we perform ourselves. And Water Expo, they also support us. They get all these visitors over here so that we can have our performance over here. And because of this, we are here and presenting ourselves. That is the only thing that has been happening since 5 years. And today, at this stage, we have come up as a company and we are presenting ourselves in front of the visitor. That is the best thing we can ever see, right? See, basically, what we are thinking right now is, now India is growing right now. We have a lot of things. We have manufactured almost everything. We have everything, right? But still, there is a problem of export in India. We are seeing CSM. We are seeing lot of Americans and Koreans and every countries outside India. So what our plan is, we should get united ourselves. We should think of exporting them, not importing from them. So that is the highlight, that if they see our stall. Yesterday what happened was, one of the CSM or the Korean company, he came over here, he took some pictures and he was so excited about the stall. He said it was brilliant. He saw our product, he took our cards. That is the best highlight of the expo. If I talk about India and if I talk about every company in India, then the biggest two challenge I would say is membrane and pump. That is the biggest two challenge. Membrane and pump are still been manufactured. We, Cruise and Lexus, we have manufactured the first pump of India, and now we are looking forward to manufacture membrane. Membrane has a problem. Membrane still is not being manufactured in India. There is a problem with that, and we are looking for that. You are in South India, the lowermost part of Chennai, lowermost part of India, and you still have people coming from Delhi, people coming from Kolkata, to Gujarat, everyone to see your stall, to visit the stall. This is the best thing that ever a company which is performing over here, a company which is presenting over here can have. So people coming from each and every part of South India, not in South India, Kolkata, Bombay, that is what I said, and that is the best thing that could have could happen.